What's up, everybody? Smoothie Cast here. Health Made Easy tip of the day. We're gonna do mango. Nope, no mango. It looks like mango, but on the inside, pineapple. Pineapple banana. That's what we're doing. Pineapple banana. Let's get started. Almond milk. Water. This smoothie should only take you like 3 minutes. Just came back from a trip, so I'm tired. But I gotta go work out. Pineapple. Splash, splash, splash. Yeah, that's good. And then this is frozen banana. See, a little frozen banana. There you go. And I do all of it. I'll get more banana. Alright. Cover blanket. Uh-oh. Need more water. A little shaky, shaky, shaky. More water. Too much frozen ingredients. Or you could add more milk if you want. You know what we're gonna do? A little magic. We're gonna add some beet powder, make it red. Give the oxygen, the blood oxygen a little help. Oh, what's this? Cool. Alright, quick. There you go. Pineapple, great for inflammation, great for the gut. Banana, potassium, magnesium, energy. Beets, blood flow. Boom. And that's your daily health tip of the day. So good. See